Hey Seekers, if you watched our previous vlog, you're probably wondering what happened to the van. There was smoke coming out of the engine, right? All of this because the cooling fan cable was disconnected. And now, well, we cannot wait for the next region.
Morning, Seekers!
Morning.
We are in Messina because we are supposed to cross the Stretto
Di Messina.
today. Yes. So we were trying to figure out how to buy the ticket. And actually, you buy the ticket for the day. You don't have to choose an hour. Yeah, a time. It's every 40 minutes and straight, but that's it. We are on Caronte Tourist and we are booking it. But first, we need to buy some groceries because the first week in Reggio Calabria won't be something that you are used to. So we need some backup of food to eat.
But first, we need some breakfast.
And now another mission. We have to find a screw that would stop this to bounce. So we are at Brico and I'll try to see if I find something. This is the screw that right now is in the cabinet and we need to find a longer one because probably this one is too short. But it was really difficult in Livorno to find one. Mission maybe accomplished. €1.10 with Amex and we have 12 screws. It's a little bit longer. Let's see if it's not too long. Let's try. Dad, don't watch this vlog because I know you told me that I should have chosen longer screws. So please don't watch this vlog and tell me I told you. So these are the screws that are in right now, but you see, they're not working. And I bought these ones for the wood and they are quite longer, but we'll see if we don't make a hole in our top. Ora ce le vado. It went super smooth. He just checked the QR code and now we are on the ferry. Crazy. Like not even an autobus. It's more difficult on a bus, actually. Perfect. Okay. This is gonna be probably the fastest ferry we've ever taken. The stretto is super straight, narrow. Calabria, we are coming! Woohoo! It's better this ferry than the one we took to get to Sardinia and to Sicily. Crazy. Even a clean bathroom. We are already in Calabria. Let's go back down to Pussy Van. We are just arrived in the spot where we are gonna eat. And look at this view! Seekers!
The sea is very, very nice.
Lunch on the Stretto! Woohoo! The owners have not made the best impression so far. They answered on the phone and even on WhatsApp, not in the most politely way. We called them and they said, "I'm sorry, I'm on the beach." Okay, we'll wait. Super strange. Anyway, the place seems nice. Someone opened the gate, but nobody came to greet us, or at least to tell us where to park. It's called Free Spirit. Maybe we just have to park. Yeah, we were supposed to park wherever we wanted. So we'll definitely show you around this campsite because it's pretty good and it seems pretty nice. And it's free. It's free. It's Free Spirit, but not free.
Not free money. When it's your birthday and you are vegan and you have no candles, not even a cake, but you have one apple, light it on fire. She has cooking the happy hour for my birthday.
Her birthday? Her birthday? Angie.
Matt, you're a pig.
Am I? Yes, because I chose to live my life with you. And I love you so much. I love you so much, baby.
Here there are the toilet. The blah is for men. Blah 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 is for women.
Which is not really gender fluid, but okay. A little stereotypical. Stereotypical.